How to add location on Snapchat filter. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add location on Snapchat filter. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. So simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store first and search for Snapchat, and then make sure to click on the update button if the update button is available or shows. Then, assuming that you have updated your Snapchat, what I would like you to do is to turn on the the location services of your phone. So go to settings and then go to privacy right here and turn on location services by clicking on it and click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part of the location services option. So once you have done that, you may now go to Snapchat and then take a snap. And then once you have taken a snap, what I would like you to do is to click on this sticker button right here, which is the third option. So once you click on the sticker button, click on location and then wait for it to load. So you may choose the desired the recommended location right here, or you may also search for a location that you want. So I may type in Canada, for example, and then wait for it to load. Click on the location that you want, and then you may either add it to your story or send it to your friends. So that's it. That's how you can add location on Snapchat filter. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.